Hello everyone. I'm glad to have another trick today. It's a very simple antenna for you. To make this antenna, we need to prepare 4 bougies, along with 2 ring magnets, 1 big and 1 small, and 1 electric wire plus copper wire. What country are you watching the video from? Please leave me a comment. We use glue guns to fix it. These 4 bougies together. And use a ring magnet. It can fit 4 bougies. When you see it, take the glue gun to fix bougie and the same magnet. Take a pre-prepared power cord. Wrap it in the plastic part of the bougie. And use a fixed glue gun. Electric wire with bougie. Cut the power cord to a sufficient length. And prepare a copper wire to wrap around the other end of that bougie. Let's get a knife to cut off the outer shell of the wire. Connect the core part of the wire to the copper wire. When wrapped in bougie, Next, let's deal with it. Power cord to connect the antenna. With television. Cut off the outer shell to get it. Copper wire in conductor. When you get the core of the TV conductor, let's connect it to the copper wire. The antenna. We use it. Insulation tape. To wrap it up. The place just connected. Next to us, use tape to fix the magnet. The remaining small inside, red wire part. On NAM 10. Watch the video if you don't understand anything. Please leave me a comment. I will answer. If you find this video helpful, help me spread the trick in my life. Come to everyone. I wish you a happy video. And we've successfully built a homemade antenna.